We believe that knowledge must be shared and connected, even more so in these uncertain times. Presenting UNI.MINDS, the online festival connecting industry and academia to #Innovate Together. Join us for a series of online events and get to know the latest in European and global development trends, innovation, and more. Here, you can find partners and ideas for your challenges and see how industry and academia can join forces to build a smarter, healthier, and sustainable future. The festival will take place online throughout November with an interdisciplinary program, expert panels, and more. Register at the festival website. We're looking forward to #Innovate Together.